Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. It's late June here in Arkansas and I am having a real problem with Japanese beetles. Even though we've treated the yard with Milky Spore a couple of times over the last 2 years, we still have a few Japanese beetles that hit our plum trees, our apple trees, and our muscadine vines in that order. And so I bought a Japanese beetle trap and I'm going to put it out and we're going to see how well that works. I don't know if you can see him down there or not, but there's about a 7 or 8 inch lizard in our little live trap. He's not caught. He's just in there. He's Teresa's buddy. He lives out in the greenhouse and eats little bugs and different things. He's probably down here because I have a bug zapper right up there and he's probably scavenging for bug carcasses or something. He's a big one though. Let's see if I can get in there. Maybe he'll wander out here and we can see him. Here it is. It's Spectricide Bag-a-Bug. And from what I can tell, it works pretty good. From what I read online, it works fairly well. And thirdly, it's the only thing that was available in my area. So we're going to open it up and see what it looks like. Okay, let's open this thing up and see what it has in it. Well, looks like it has a stand of some kind or a hanger. Get my pocket knife here and let's open this thing up. Spectricide Bag-a-Bug Combo Lure. Alright, so that's the lure for the bag that attracts these beetles. Here's a bag. It looks like a wire tie, twist tie we'd call it. 2 bags. And this thing right here. Sorry, I'm a little close. Okay. Let's see what they say to do. Oh, here we go. I see now. You take one, put it in the other slot, like that. Now. And we open up the bag. Blow a little air in the bottom of that. We hang the bag from these little indentions made on the bottom. Super easy. Little holes punched right here in the top of the bag, hanging on the little indentions or loops, what you want to call it, hooks on the bottom. There we go. Back up here. And that's it. Come on. There we go. It's not adult proof, but almost. Stick that there. I can smell it. There's some kind of smell for sure. And take this, put it through on the other side, and go hang it. And they say to hang it not close to your not close to what you want to try and keep the bugs away from, and that would be the muscadines. Those muscadines out there, my plum trees are out by the road, you can see, and my apple trees are right over there in front of the house. And so right there in the edge of the shade, I'm going to put a hanger out and put it out right there. Looks like it already has 3 or 4 bugs in it already. And so hopefully they'll be able to get into that thing and we'll be able to catch a lot of them. Whenever it fills up, in a few days or in a week or so, I'll be back and I'll tape and we'll see what happens. They're flying around it now. It'll probably settle down some. It will probably settle down some when the wind dies down a little bit and when it begins to fill up with bugs. But it's amazing that they are already swarming this. And they say that it should be downwind from where the trees are or whatever they're attracted to. And right over there are the 2 plum trees where they're attracted the most. And they say do not put it close to them because you'll just attract more to them. There's my apples right over there. And they swarm them second most. And let me turn around here. There's my muscadines, my new vineyard right here, and my old vineyard over on the other side of the fence. So the Spectricide Bag-a-Bug Japanese Beetle Trap, we'll see how it works. I'll give you an update here in a week or so, and we'll see how full it is. Maybe a few days. Thanks for coming along to the channel. God bless you. Have a super day.